Welcome. We're going to do a quick review of how to unhide your personal workbook so that you can access the macros uh, that you have stored there. So let's start. First thing you need to do is go to the View menu option, and when you click here, Unhide Window, it will give you a list of hidden windows or workbooks that you have open. The personal XLSB workbook always opens hidden in uh, when you open a workbook in Excel so that you have access to items that are globally accessible. So click OK, and now it is open. We can close it, and we have access to all our macros, and here we can actually edit a macro, or we can delete a macro or run a macro. I'm not going to delete that because I use it, but there you go. That's how you do that, if you accomplish that task if you need to do it. Thanks for watching. Have fun.